Hi, I'm Josh with RV Dynasty. Just want to welcome you to Maintenance Monday. So just want to go over Sill Saver real quick. What this is good for is keeping your slide sills soft and pliable throughout the year. Right now, with it being wintertime, they will become brittle. Sometimes if it's an older unit, they'll get kind of sticky. So when you go to bring it out in the springtime, it'll stick to the slide rim and actually rip those sills. So this here is very simple. It's $20.15 plus tax, but just spray it on. It is a foam. You don't have to scrub it in or anything. Just spray it on, leave it. It'll dissolve into that. It'll keep your sills soft and pliable. So that way it'll save you money in the long run. On average, any sill on a slide rim that we have to replace is going to be $350 plus, just depending on the size and what type of sill. So keep your sills safe, and it'll save you money in the long run.